Today we are going to see about structure. Structure is nothing but it is a collection of heterogeneous variable data types. Heterogeneous data types. Just consider this is a structure. Always see structure as a integer data type. Like means both the operation going to be same, but condition and look like only going to different. So but operations will going to same for like what are the works we done with the help of int data type. We can able to also do with the struct keyword also, but declaration only going to differ. Here how I can able to declare a variable using for structure. First we need to mention the struct keyword, then we need to name the structure. Here I name it as student. This is structure name, not structure variable name. Variable name is different, structure name is different. Where inside I can able to declare integer data type. Here I need to name it. Here I need to give the name for integer variable name. Here character string variable name size float variable name. So likewise we can able to give different data types variables, and at the end we need to put semicolon here finally. Here we can able, so okay, I will later tell about this. And if I need to know the size of the structure, means how I can able to write the how I can able to know the size of structure is size of struct student. So if I give like this, means with the help of size of operator, what is the value it's going to return? Means the value going to return as 84. So I'm going to give, so this is the value going to return the size of operator. So what value I can able to, what type of format specifier I can use to return this value? Means I can use %lu to return size of value. So I can use %lu to return the size of this value. So this is how we can able to declare a structure. Next, the next thing is how I can able to declare and initialize the variable. So just think about, this is the structure, right? Here I am writing int main open bracket close bracket. Inside I am going to declare a structure variable. How I can able to declare a structure variable means first I need to write the structure keyword, then I need to write the structure name. Then I am going to give the structure name. So structure keyword, then structure name, then only you need to write the structure variable name. So this is how we can able to declare a structure variable name. Just you need to be aware of it. Structure name is different, structure variable name is different. How we use to declare a int? So int variable name, int some num. So it consists of what is the size of this variable? The size of this variable is 4. Likewise, what is the size of this variable? The size of this variable is 84. So this is how you just always see the int and structure as a same, because both are going to be act like a int. Structure also going to be act like a link. But the advantage is different. Here we can able to inside we can able to declare many variable name. Like here only 4 limited, but here I can able to declare int, one int, another int, one char, another char, different data types of I can able to declare, because this will going to act as a single int, like single int only for 4 bytes. Here many I can able to, with the help of this I can able to take any, I can, this is a choice. So in this choice, I can able to use integer, I can able to use string, I can able to use array. This is just like a choice. It will act as a choice. Don't just get confused. That's all. So now we learned. So you guys going to think like this is how we can able to declare a structure. No, we can also declare a structure here also. Before the semicolon, we need to mention the structure names. Understand? Before semicolon, we need to mention the structure name, structure variable name. So not structure name, structure variable name. So now, how I can able to initialize a structure variable name? Here, struct. So how we use to initialize num? Int num is equal to 1. So here 1. This is only 1, right? So that's why no need. But here how many variable, how many data types are exist? 1, 2, 3. So at the time we need to initialize for these 3 data types. How we can able to initialize with this 3 data type? With the help of a butterfly brackets. So first I am going to int. This is like a int. So structure student. This S1 is num. S1. And the next step what is? Equal to. And here 1 value, right? How I can able to initialize value? Curly braces. First, what is? Int num. So first I need to give the input as integer. The integer is 10. Second, I need to give the input as strings. So how I can able to declare a string? Write a string, open double quotation. Just consider Ram. So this is a string literal, right? So it's going to send its base address. If it is base address 5 means it's going to store in this place. And here I am going to write Chennai. And that's all. So this is how I can able to initialize a structure variable. Look, both operations are equally same. So int, here what is the int, here what is the data type? Structure student is the data type. Here what is the variable name? Num. Here what is the variable? S1. So this is data type. This is data type name. This one is fixed, but this one is we can modifiable, customizable. We can able to give any name. Here fixed. So that is the difference. Int, I can't able to give a custom name for int. Like I can able to call as int n. I can't able to call it. Int is fixed, but student is not like that. Why this feature? This feature is only for because inside if I want to create a structure with integer, strings and then float data type, this is going to act as a 1. And if I want to declare another structure, but it consists of floats, doubles, integer arrays, strings arrays, so that will going to act. So that's why if I give a different name only means I can able to identify which consists of which strings, which consists of which strings. So for the if I give a structure name commonly means it gets confused, right? To overcome this problem only, structure name comes. Structure name will going to help us. If student, if we see a student name means struct student means in our mind automatically tells oh the what are the variable I inserted here num, name, address. Instead if it is a person like I'm declaring a structure variable structure as structure person means first ID num and then name and then name name, and then it's going to act as name, and then first name, and then array, some kind of array variable, integer array, strings arrays. So this is a separate. So to identify because this consists of this data members, this consists of different data members. To indicate only means we are using like this. Understand, right? Okay. But variable, given variable is name, variable name. Syntax is similar. Both is going to working, operation going to same, syntax also similar, going to remain same. But if you see, if I want to initialize a variable 1 means directly num is equal to 1. Here it's not like, not going to goes like this. Because there are inside, there are 3 data types, and each 3 data types consists the unique names also. So what is the first mentioned here? Int write. So first I need to always write as a integer data type. Second, what is string? So I need to always write string name, string literal. Third, what is I mentioned? Address, string. So always writes address here. So this is how we need to initialize like this. You say only like this, only a way. I don't want to initialize all the value at once. I need to initialize a value at a time only. So I can able to use s1 dot. So what I am mentioning means first s1, this variable name. First I am calling the variable name. This dot operator, this dot going to act as a operator. Here before going to mention the structure variable name, after so I'm going to call there is a feature, right? So this consists of feature. So first I'm going to call this a device. Just consider this as a device. So I'm calling this device. So I just call this device, and in this there are 3 features, num, character, strings, but I need to use only one feature for now. So what is the feature I'm going to use? Num. So num is equal to 1. So this is how it works. So but it don't works for the strings. Why it don't work means s1 here name, right? So you tell me, so we can able to initialize like this also, but no, because num means what? Num means base address. So we can, this is a base address, this is a base address. A base address can be equal? No, right? We can't able to do like this. That's not a way. So how I can able to do this? We can able to use string copy. So what is the thing? What is the source? RAM is the source. Where I need to copy? I need to copy in s1.name. So this is how we can able to give name for this structure. Okay. So this is how it works. Okay. Simple. Next I'm going to explain structure pointer. How I can able to declare a structure pointer? How we can able to declare a integer pointer? Int star ptr. So this is how we can able to if I want to, okay, first you need to understand. So Sir, I can also declare, initialize the names, initialize the values only this way. There is an only I need to follow the order. No need. You can also initialize like this also. Look. Here I can also initialize like this also. So no problem. It's also going to work. Such a S1 dot name ram. So this is how it works. The next thing is we are going to talk about structure pointer. How a structure pointer works means here how an integer pointer works in the star ptr, right? So here also int star structure point. Structure pointer. Structure pointer. So this is how it works.